Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Lin My Simple Way. Today is all about the salmon salad. I will be showing you the recipe, which include capsicums, mint, coriander, pistachios, nuts. Beautiful. So let's get straight into it. The ingredients include cucumber, red onion, capsicum, some coriander, mint, bean sprouts, and around 300 grams of salmon, salted pistachio, and kewpie mayonnaise. Slice the capsicum into thin strips. Chop corianders and mint. Cut the cucumber into cubes. Thin slice the red onion. Cut the salmon into cubes and use the blowtorch to flame grill your salmon. Mix all the ingredients together. Add your bean sprouts and then your salmon. Transfer your salad onto a serving plate. Sprinkle some pistachio nuts. Drizzle the fish sauce mixture. Squeeze some kewpie mayonnaise, and there you go. The salmon salad ready for serving. Nice fresh salad. Thank you for watching Lin My Simple Way once again. Please join me on my channel for simpler way of doing things, including cooking recipe, beauty regime, and lifestyle. I'll see you later. Bye.